The recteq DualFire 1200 smoker grill stands out with its twin cooking chambers that let you run hot and fast grilling alongside gentle, slow smoking in one unit. Its wide temperature span, reaching from a low and steady 180 degrees Fahrenheit up to a searing 700 degrees Fahrenheit, makes it flexible enough for everything from delicate fish to steakhouse-style crusts. A smart control system with a precise algorithm keeps the heat remarkably stable, so long cooks turn out repeatable results without constant tinkering. Built with substantial stainless steel throughout key components, this grill feels solid and is clearly designed to handle years of outdoor use. The wood pellet fuel delivers a clean, rich smoke profile that layers in flavor without overpowering the food, which is ideal for both beginners and seasoned pitmasters. Generous warranty coverage from recteq adds peace of mind, reinforcing the impression that this is a serious, long-term centerpiece for an outdoor cooking setup.